set, go. 1. Have your knees bent. 2, 3, 4, 5. It's gonna get harder and harder. Each set. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Speed it up. 12. Go back some back. 13. Go some back some more back. 14. 15. Speed it up. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. There you go. Switch. Let's go. You good? Jump rope. Let's go. Lunges. Lunges.
How many lunges do we do? How many lunges do we do?
Y'all doing it with
How many times do we do?
you just going all the way down, and then all the way back, then down and then back.
Don't we do 20 times or something more?
This is heavy.
It's 20 pounds. That's only 20 pounds.
Go ahead and go with that. That's fine. You're going deep though.
We only got a minute 17.
Okay. All right, let's go. Jump rope. I got each person. Hold up. You ain't doing nothing yet. Hey, you're not doing nothing yet. Remember, take it out. Remember, y'all not gonna go to each second girl. Remember, so y'all not going to first girl because there's only 2 of y'all.
Okay.
So the first girl always going each thing, then y'all start. Keep it straight. Here you go. All right, go ahead. You keep it straight. Okay, ready to go. One leg. One leg. One leg. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, here we go. Just like that.
Running.
Speed it up. Speed it up. You see, this is speed. This is quick feet we're working on. Speed it up. Speed it up. Speed it up. Pop, pop, pop. Speed it up. Speed it up. We're going